been in some chats past week or two, and we've been talking about some drag racing and stuff like that. And you guys, you know, I guess y'all figure my orange car is what I'm talking about. But I don't think too many people have seen my green car up close. So kind of want to show you guys a video about my green car. You guys have seen my orange car. Boosted 931's got a video, Street Slayer, Car Mob, Gearhead 704, they all got videos of my orange car. But nobody's really seen my green car up close, so I figured I'd show you a video on that. It's actually, Gearhead did a video about, I don't know, 10, 11 months ago, I think it was, on my green car. And I asked him if I could borrow a clip from his video, and he told me I could. So I'm gonna show you up close, but it's actually Gearhead showing you the video. Check it out.
Perfect.
So I started work, and of course, someone showed up. It's Frank's Three Stayings. What's going on, Frank? But he actually has the same intake I'm putting on my car, and this is the turbo. You just, how long has this thing been running now?
Since November, but I finally got it tuned.
Okay, and that made how much again?
588 to the wheels.
588. Is this is the On 3? Yep. Now, did you tune this? No, you got it dyno tuned, right? So you still got the Mass Air and.
No, it's got a Mega Squirt on.
Oh, it did. Okay.
But I didn't get it tuned.
Okay. He tuned it with a Mega Squirt.
Yeah, he got it all set up.
You installed the Mega Squirt though, right?
I put everything in.
Yeah. All he did was tune it.
He tuned it.
It looks pretty clean, man. Is it fun?
Oh yeah.
It's a lot of fun, right?
Yeah, these tires on the road, this ain't no match.
Wow, this is a big tire too. These tires aren't even much. What size tires are these?
75.
Okay, they look bigger than that, but I guess it's because it's a 15-inch rim, right? No, it's 15. Yeah, that's why it looks so big. Yeah.
Yeah, I'm gonna try to get it to a track here before too long.
I'd love to see that. Yeah.
Maybe I can.
What, 1/8 mile or quarter?
1/8 mile.
Okay.
It's got 373s in it, so
Okay.
I'm scared of the quarter mile right now.
Yeah.
With a 3-speed automatic.
Oh, it's a 3-speed. Okay. Is this C4 or?
It's the 4RW70.
Okay.
It's got, you know, it's 4-speed, but
yeah, but it's overdrive,
I
right?
really don't want to put no power on
Yeah.
overdrive.
Yeah, I don't say that's like 5th or 6th gear in my car. It's useless. Well, not that my car runs, but anyway, you know what I mean. So I didn't realize that you had a cage in this.
Yeah,
it's a half cage, right? Or is it full cage?
Yeah,
okay.
full cage.
Wow. Yeah. What's that you got mounted there? Is that that's for your fill pump, right?
Yep.
Yeah, I remember you putting that on your video.
Yeah.
Talking about that, because you could hook up to 3 pumps, I believe, on this thing, right?
Yep. I haven't put my vacuum box on yet, but yeah.
Trunk mounted battery. You pretty much, did you build this one pretty much all yourself?
I didn't do the cage. But,
Well, right.
And originally it had a motor and transmission put in it.
Okay.
But other than that, I've changed the whole suspension with 5 lug to put the turbo on myself.
Okay.
And, took some time though.
Yeah, everybody's doing those turbo kits now, I guess because they're a good price, right?
Yeah, I mean, to me it was, you couldn't beat it.
Yeah.
And my other car, my orange one's a supercharger. And
It's supercharged, yeah. But this is the one that usually makes out the most shows because it's the most done.
Yeah, it's the most
So,
408s, about 13 pounds of boost with T-trim.
okay.
It makes about 625 to the wheel.
625 to the wheels. Which one feels quicker? Because
This one I ain't had to hook up yet.
okay, yeah,
So
yeah.
I don't know, but I think this one would be faster.
Really?
To be honest with you.
What'd the orange one put out at the dyno?
It was 625.
Okay.
13 pounds of boost.
Okay.
This makes 5.
Is this a street car or a race car?
It's a street car.
Okay, okay. He calls it street car. For me, it'd be a race car, but
Well, it's gonna be both.
yeah, yeah. I like the wrap on the headers. I mean, you have to do that obviously, but it came out good.
Well, I didn't know how much heat I was gonna build in here,
Yeah.
so I decided to wrap everything.
Okay.
Just whatever.
Cold and hot side.
Well, I didn't do the cold, but
Oh, okay.
anything that had heat going through it. I
Gotcha.
figured I would do
Okay.
it. Just because I've seen people with the front ends cut out, and you know they cut grooves in their
Yeah.
hood because they couldn't get enough heat out of it. But, I haven't
Cool.
really drove it enough. I mean, I brung it in on my trailer today because I haven't.
Oh, I saw somebody bringing her. Okay, I didn't know who it was. All right, that was you.
But I ain't had it out other than uptown and back. You know, I went on a trip
Yeah.
with it yet.
Well, I like the. This is what is this? Your Everflow here?
That's my high tech. I spent a lot of money on it.
Guys, right here. This is budget. That's what we call it, budget. Yeah, the turbo looks pretty, man. I'm sure it's fun.
I'm happy with it. I mean, last time I had it on the road when I was in Mexico.
Yeah, we go to Mexico a lot here, guys. Even though Frank's local like me, well, I used to go to Mexico and I had a car, but yeah. How'd it do in Mexico?
I had to keep feathering it
Yeah.
just to keep it going. But I mean, they're flat. That's all we'll get to the track.
I mean,
see if I can get it to hook up.
Yeah, over 580.
Yeah.
Yeah, well, let's see if you get at the hook of the track.
And I got adjustable coil springs on it all the way around.
Oh, okay. Even in the rear.
I got the Wild Rides
Okay.
kit on it where I can adjust everything on it.
Okay. Wild
So,
Ride.
I hadn't even started doing that. That's gonna be a whole nother ball game when I get to the track with it.
Are you gonna put a video up on the channel about
Yeah,
it?
I'm gonna eventually do the suspension on it.
Okay.
When I get to the track, I'm gonna start putting
Yeah.
videos out and showing times and stuff.
See, I said this before. I know you know what I'm gonna say, but the best thing about Frank's videos is they're nice and they're short and you can watch them like that. So I watch your videos pretty much before anybody else when you put them up because I'm like, it's an easy watch. I don't even want to watch my own videos because they're long like this one because I'm talking to people like Frank stopping me from doing my work. So if you want to see what this car does on the drag strip, check out Frank's channel.
I'm not a big media guy, but YouTube's big enough for me.
Yeah, well, I love it because I remember seeing you put in the fuel pump, and everything. So nice little tips. And the bumper, this is the one you were doing the bumper stuff on too, right?
Yeah, I still got to do a lot more work to it.
Okay. Oh yeah, the intercooler. Wait, you still got fog lights?
Yeah, that's from my 03 Cobra.
Okay.
Fog lights.
Was this original GT? No, this is LX, right?
LX.
Yeah, okay. That's cool, man.
I do got a GT wing I'm gonna put on it eventually before
Do
I
you?
paint it. I'm probably just gonna drive it this year
Yeah.
and I'm try to work on painting it next year.
That's kind of what I'm doing with mine. Yeah, I'm gonna do the SSP. I'm gonna drive it first, and we'll see about paint. My other car that's painted, looks good. I don't drive it, so I've got it works out both ways.
He says, "What are you taking this car to a car show for?"
Yeah.
This is not pretty.
Right, it's not pretty, but it's got to be fun. So cool. We're gonna get some exhaust sounds from this turbo real quick, guys.
Come on up here and get your time taken from him.